Today I'm looking at a 2011 Volkswagen Golf, and this coil spring at the back is broken, the bottom coil. So I've got two coil springs, the other side's rusty, but it's not broke. So what I'm going to do is change that. I'll just show you how I'm doing it. It looks quite easy. I've jacked the car up and put two axle stands under it on that beam. That beam was covered with a plastic bit of trim that I've removed. So by getting those two tins out the way, I could put two axle stands under there. And then if we look under here, this arm, there's a bolt in there that I've lubed up. I've wire brushed and lubricated it. So I'm going to take that one off. And the idea is we're just going to get this suspension arm bolt out. May have to loosen the other side. If we do, I'll have to mark where the bolt is, because that'll be an eccentric bolt or a cam bolt, which means not this one but the inner one. If it is a cam bolt for adjusting the suspension, so I'm going to try and leave that alone. Also going to leave all this stuff alone. Start by taking this one bolt out. If I can get that down, see if I can reach in and get the coil spring out. That came out nice and easy. Had a jack under here to take the weight in case the spring comes flying down. So now I'm going to release the tension on the jack so the arm comes down. Oh yeah, that's come right down. I can see that's going to give me enough room. I can just reach in and take it out nice and easy. There is a broken bit in there, so it might be a bit more to fight against if it was a complete spring. With the bottom coil missing, it's made it a little bit easier. Okay, now all I've got to do is dig that out of there and put the new one in. That's coming out okay, that last coil. I just looped it up with WD-40. I could get through the end of the arm with a long screwdriver and pry it off. For reassembling, I've just repositioned the jack so it's at the back of the car, side onto there, because this didn't line up there. So now the wheels on the jack are going to let me line it up. So I'll just get that lined up with the bolt in, and when we tighten the bolt, we're going to have to do it with the suspension straight, like it would be when it's flat on the ground. So I've just used this screwdriver on the wheel and done like that a few times to creep the jack forwards, and adjusted the height on the handle, and I got that bolt to go in with a tap from a hammer. So easy to do, just got to do the same on the other side. Like I say, what I'm going to do to tighten this up is raise the jack until that's higher, like it would be on the ground, a natural position, and then when I tighten the bolt, the bush isn't going to twist when I lower it down, because it's already in that place, it's already been lifted, the same as it would be if it was on the ground. I always check the wheels when it's been apart, I've not caused the backing plate on the back of the brakes to move out of place, so I spin the wheel and make sure it's not catching before I lower it to the ground. Just got to lower it down and tilt the wheels up, same on the other side. Hopefully it's helpful to somebody. Thanks for watching.